Okay guys, today we'll be doing some pranks and it's gonna be some farting pranks.
Yeah.
So
Let's
get started. It's the Gamer Bro, another Gamer Bro.
And we're gonna use my phone. We're gonna go next to people and use this farting app and just go like this. Yeah, that's a fake one, but let's see how this prank goes. Pause it.
Okay, let's go. Okay guys.
No, not yet.
Today I think a girl's coming though.
No, she's not.
Oh, never mind, she's not.
I think that guy's coming though. Is it recording?
Okay guys, he's gonna do it right now.
Someone's coming.
Oh god, you go for it. Was it all the way up?
Yeah, it's all the way up.
Oh come on, that was weak. That was.
Pause it.
Okay,
Next
guys.
one.
Next
one's
one.
gonna come up.
Okay guys, we found another guy. It's gonna be really funny. Oh, he went down the stairs in the other way. Really, dude? That's so lame. You're so lame. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, guys, someone's coming. Someone's coming. Oh my god, man. That's so fake.
Okay, guys, recording.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, guys, I'm gonna download another app which is not fake farts. It's gonna sound like real farts.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's wait.
Go into the app store.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. He's coming. So let's do this.
Hi.
Oh my god, yo, you gotta download another one.
Oh yeah, did you record it?
Yeah. That was funny, huh, guys? Okay. What are those?
I got the new app.
What are those?
I got the new app.
Look at more people. Let's see. Check. Okay, guys, pause.
Hey, dude, can I tell you something? You know what? High five.
Oh god.
You're on YouTube.
Okay, that dude is pretending like something happened, but peace. Okay, yeah, it was funny.
So it was boring. Yeah, and eat this.
Okay, that kind of sounded real.
What the heck? This one's going forever. Is this still recording? Hey, pause it.
Yeah. Oh shit! It is still recording.
Oh, pause it.
Okay.
Oh, next one.
Okay, guys, we just hit a window, a lady's window, and I think she's really mad. So, okay, guys, we're ending the video here, and please subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay.
Hey guys, it's me, the other gamer. Go check me out on Instagram, masterbinergamer_boy1223. It'll be in the description below. Okay. And just please subscribe to us.
Okay.
This prank was awesome.
Peace.
Where's the ball?